Hello my sweets, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. This is Helen. Thank you so much for watching. I know I've been away for a little while. I've missed you guys. I was actually in North Carolina assisting my mom with some things and she was moving as well. So today I have a quick DIY, but before that I want to go over the glitter collection, the Glam glitter collection that I have. I do want to apologize for my previous video. A lot of you were asking where to get it. I think I failed to be specific in letting you know that if you want to inquire or want to purchase the Glam glitters, you have to email me, and on the screen there and in the description box of this video I have provided my email. A lot of you went to my Amazon store and it's not on my Amazon store. Like I said, you have to email me if you are interested. So I'm just going to go over them really quick. This is the collection I have so far. It's the rose gold that I'm about to show you right now. We have the crushed diamond, which is the glitter, the silver glitter, and then the gold and the champagne blush. Now those little jars there at the beginning, that was just for show to display the glitter, but they do actually come in those little pouches. It's just easier to mail and more cost effective for you guys. So this is the champagne blush that I'm going to show you really quickly. This is the one that I used on my last Glam Girl canvas, sorry. That's the one that I believe that I used, yeah, champagne blush. And now I'm just gonna show you the gold and the silver. Don't let this gold fool you, it's really pretty in person even more. And of course, the crushed diamonds, which is my silver. And so again, I just wanted to let you guys know I do apologize for that. So now we're gonna get into our DIY for today. From the Dollar Tree, they have these glass cylinders, the taller one and the shorter one. We're gonna use one tall one and two shorter ones. We are also going to use one of these magnetic boxes, and these you can find in the stationery section of Dollar Tree. Here you can store small erasers, paper clips, push pins, that sort of thing. So again, you can find these in the school section, stationery section. And what we're going to do is that we are going to use the bottom as the base, and the that's going to serve as our top there. So we're going to use 3 tops and 2 bases, and you'll see what I mean as we go along, just like that. So what I'm going to do now is again, I'm not even going to spray paint it or anything. I'm going to use this beautiful diamond rhinestone ribbon. I absolutely love this. I will link it down. Now this you can find in my Amazon store. I really do love this, and I'm not just saying this. It's very pliable, it's easy to cut, and it just makes everything look just so glamorous. And I went ahead, like I said, I trimmed it down to fit the rim of our top there, and I'm going to go ahead and glue it all around, and I'm going to do the same thing for all 3 of them. And then coming up, you're going to see that I'm going to do the top portion of it as well. And this also comes in other colors, comes in gold and some other colors as well. And like I said, I'll link it down for you guys if you're interested. As you can see, it's very easy to mold to whatever shape or movement you want to take it to. So I really do like the flexibility of this, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, so these little tops here are perfect for these cylinders. They're not a snug fit, but they fit just perfectly to use as tops. So that's what that's looking like so far. And so now we're going to move on to the next step. Now these diamonds you can find at Hobby Lobby in the wedding section, and you can also find them at Michael's, but just recently I did see these at the Dollar Tree. I have used them in my previous video. When you do see them, grab a few of them. I think it's a great deal. And I'm going to be using the Elmer's clear glue, which is my favorite. As I mentioned before, Will from DIY Lighting and More, he put me onto this glue and I love it. You can use it to glue on things, and you can even use it as a sealant instead of resin, and it leaves a really nice shine, and I just really love it, and I've just continued to use it. And so now I just wanted my diamonds here to kind of show up as best as possible, so I just went and glued on those first. And as you can see, the top I turned it upside down or wrong side up, because I'm going to show you two ways that you can use these tops. I'm going to show you two looks. So now what I decided to do is to take some of my rose gold Luxe glitter, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of my crushed diamonds, my silver glitter. And that's one thing that I love about these glitters, that you can mix them and they do complement each other really, really well. I love the way the champagne blush also looks with the silver. Really, really pretty. So you can experiment with these colors, the gold and the silver. I think in a few videos back you saw me do that as well. Gorgeous. So you're gonna mix it to your liking, you know, equal parts or however which way, as you know, you're satisfied to the way that it looks. And now I decided to put the glitter on the inside of the top rather than on the outside for this look. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, please, please, please give me those thumbs up. Nothing is gonna let me know more that you are enjoying this video and that you want more videos from me than those thumbs up. Those thumbs up really let me know that you're happy with my videos, you enjoy them, and you want more content from me. And if you're not subscribed, please do so. It's the only way that YouTube is gonna notify you and you're not gonna miss any of my videos, because if you're not subscribed, then you're pretty much gonna be guessing whether I put a video out or not. So please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. So that is what that is looking like so far. I think it's so pretty. And then after it dries, you wanna go ahead and use that same Elmer's glue and then just seal it that way and allow it to dry. But I think it's so pretty the way it comes through the clear plastic. So now I have these different size diamonds. As you can see, I have a variety of sizes. I just want to let you know that you don't always have to use a pull knob or a knob pull or the cabinet pulls or whatever you call it so that it can serve as a little handle for your top. You don't always have to use that. Like I'm just showing you here right now that you can use diamonds as a little pull for your top, and it looks gorgeous and it's unique and it's different. And I'm just going to show you coming right up how that works. So I'm just kind of mixing up different sizes and putting and gluing them on top. See how pretty that looks? You see? Voila! So you don't need to have those little pull knobs. You can use diamonds just like these large ones that you can also find at any of the craft stores as well. So here I have this little bead laying around the house, and if you've seen previous videos of mine, you know that I've used those pony beads to help my little acrylic diamond gems from the Dollar Tree to stand up straight. It helps them to stand up straight in a flat surface, being that they have a pointy bottom. So that's a little trick that I have shared with you guys time and time again. And you can also use a large bead like this one, and I'm just, you know, wrapping it around with more of that diamond ribbon. And yeah, this is a really cool trick because now I'm going to use one of the larger diamonds, and that's going to serve as my little handle, my little pull knob to open up my cylinder. And so for this look, instead of applying the glitter on the inside, I'm going to do it on top. So this is another option, another look that I wanted to share with you guys. And I love the way they both look, but I have to say this is my favorite. I want you guys to let me know what you guys think. Which is your favorite look? And now I'm taking those little silver diamonds that from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gluing them on top just to give it that extra something. See how pretty that is? So these pony beads are huge. These you can find at the beauty supply. So these are larger than the regular pony beads, of course, and this is another trick that I'm using to help stand my little diamond to use as a little pull top, or however you call it. So again, this is another little trick, another little option for you guys. You can definitely find these at any of the beauty supply stores. You can find those there, and they have them in different colors, but I like the clear ones, of course, because you can leave them clear. Or as you're going to see later on, I'm also going to embellish it with more of that little diamond wrap as well. You just want to make sure that when you glue it on, it's, you know, it's not tilting over, that it's straight, it's leveled. And then, you know, I suggest that you use your strongest glue throughout this video for a permanent hold. And then that way you don't have to worry about it. So now for the bottom, this is going to serve as our base. That sticker comes right off, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and trim the bottom part of this bottom portion. Again, you can decorate it however which way you want. I went ahead and trimmed down my ribbon, and then that upper part there, you will see that I'm going to apply glitter. So for this, so like I mentioned before, we're using 3 tops and 2 of the bottoms only, because I wanted to like create that staggered effect, you know, the taller, middle, and smaller cylinder look. So, but again, you can use all 3 bottoms if you want to. And of course, you want to use your strongest glue, and you want to glue that bottom to your cylinders. And I didn't show that in the video, but it's kind of common sense. You want to glue it on with your strongest glue. And this is the end result, you guys. Let me know which one you like better. Do you like this one right here where you can see through the top? Or do you like the look where it shows the actual glitter on top? Like I said, I can't really decide, but I'm leaning more towards this one right here. And I think this is absolutely gorgeous. This is 90% Dollar Tree. We got the glass cylinders. We have the little magnetic boxes. And, you know, you can use the gems from the Dollar Tree as well. The roses or the flowers from the Dollar Tree. You can create it. You can put cotton balls in here, cotton swabs, however you want to call it, Q-tips. I call them Q-tips. Some people call them cotton swabs. Whatever it is, you can put it in there. You can put candles in there, flowers, however which way you want. I think these are really classy looking and beautiful, and they will make any bathroom look really nice, any jewelry nightstand area look really nice. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Let me know how you would do this differently, and let me know if you want them all one level, or do you like the staggered effect that I created here for you. I thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so glad to be back yet again, and I look forward to bringing you guys more videos. Again, please give me those thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And for those that have followed me for the longest time and stick with me, I appreciate every single one of you. I've had an overwhelming response to the Glam glitters. Thank you so much. I'm so happy for the feedback. I'm happy that you love them and that you like them. And I'm going to bring more colors, a Tiffany blue next and a purple. So yeah, looking forward to that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.